Now, Chief Meteorologist Brian Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
I warned you about the fog potential this morning. Now I'm going to warn you about some strong winds you may have to deal with for your commute tomorrow. This evening, temperatures staying in the low to mid 50s, 55 at 7 o'clock, 54 at 9 p.m., and 55 at 11. So we'll probably see that temperature rising again later on this evening as some warmer air begins to move in. Then some rain by late evening, overnight. Maybe a leftover shower at 8 o'clock, but then we'll dry out. A mix of clouds and sun in the morning, clouding up in the afternoon, 53 at noon, and 48 at 5 o'clock as colder air will be moving in with those gusty winds. Also, there is a marginal risk of severe weather, but the main concern here will be some gusty winds as we head through the next 24 hours. High winds with those gusts up to about 40 to 50 miles per hour, so our severe weather index low. We'll see those winds increasing this evening to about 15 to 25. Rain mainly after midnight, although there could be a shower or two just before that. And then the strong winds around on Thursday. Because of that, we have high wind warnings in effect for northern Indiana, northwest quarter of Ohio, and the far northern part of the state up toward Cleveland. Wind advisories down our way in effect, and here's what you can expect as we head through the next 24 hours. First off, low risk of any tornadoes, hail, and flooding. The main concern will be wind here with our severe weather impacts. And tonight, the strongest storms will stay west of Dayton. That's where you'll probably hear about some tornadoes and strong winds out in Illinois and Iowa and Missouri, maybe even parts of Indiana. But then we'll see the strong winds around here on Thursday, gusts 30 to 45 miles per hour. You get in the northern Miami Valley, there might be some gusts up around Mercer, Auglaize, Logan, Shelby counties, Darke County hitting the 50-mile-an-hour mark or even a little bit above. Stall vision camera tonight showing those clouds starting to move in. We'll call it partly cloudy right now. And looking at live Doppler 2 HD, it's dry here in the Dayton area, but we're going to head back west. You can see the clouds increasing from the south this evening. And out here is where the active weather is. Tornado watch in effect for Illinois and parts of Iowa, also northeastern sections of Missouri. And look at the severe thunderstorm warnings in orange. Tornado warnings currently in effect in red there across the east central part of Iowa. There's that curly Q shape, that comma shape feature. Very strong system here. Heavy snow falling on the backside out towards central Nebraska. Here's the rain surging northeastward, and this is going to be impacting our weather, as I mentioned here, late this evening with that chance of showers. Right now we're at 52. Southeast wind at 12, but the barometer's falling rapidly. And looking at Dayton, 52 degrees, 50 in Springfield, 54 in Springboro, and 54 right now at Wright Pat. Our weather checkers reporting those temperatures in the 50s tonight. Scott Biesecker in Bradford, 59 degrees. Barbara Richards in Kettering at 56. Future track forecast, in comes the rain late this evening. We'll see showers around overnight, still some around at 7 o'clock, but then heading off to the east, and then behind that, a mix of clouds and sun, but look for those gusty winds as we head through the day tomorrow. Let's check out your forecast tonight. Showers develop late this evening and overnight. Maybe a rumble of thunder. Overnight low around 50. South winds pick up. And look at those winds tomorrow. Gusts 45 to 50. Some morning showers. Very windy. High 53. A mix of clouds and sun expected. 51 at 10 o'clock. 53 at noon. And then those temperatures dropping off into the 40s with cloudy skies. Storm Team 2 7-day forecast. Chilly on Friday. Still windy. 46. And then upper 40s for highs on Saturday after morning low of 30. The good news is over the weekend, the sunshine comes back, milder by Sunday, 56 into the upper 50s on Monday, and Tuesday, Wednesday, our next chance of rain. So our next weather concern, at least next 24 hours, will be that wind.
The wind.
Bring in that patio furniture.
Probably a good idea. Yeah. It's that time of year anyway.
Good point.